Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see best settings for low-end PC for playing Zenless Zone Zero. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up game and go to settings guys. For that you just need to press in keyboard escape key and select options. On left side select graphics, display mode set to full screen and image quality set to low and FPS you can set it to 30 and visual sync you just need to disable it. Rendering set it to 1 and anti-aliasing you just need to disable it. Shadows you just need to set it to low and FX quality set it to low. Shading quality you just need to set it to low. Character quality you just need to set it to low and environment quality set it to low. Mirror reflections set it to low. Volumetric fog set it to low. Bloom set to disable and distraction set to disable and color filter strength you just need to set this to 5. After changing these options you just need to go back and play the game without any lag. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.